What is the Digital Republic of Equatorial Guinea?
The Digital Republic of Equatorial Guinea is a sovereign, non-territorial digital jurisdiction, legally and narratively hosted within the United States of Africa Empire that serves as the ethical, legal, and institutional capital for a new Pan-African economic civilization. It is not a simulation or substitute of the physical nation, but a parallel digital nation-state built on ethical governance, Afrocentric identity, and high-tech legal infrastructure. Its legal and symbolic role. Official digital capital of the United States of Africa Empire, jurisdiction of record for thousands of sovereign African corporations. Host of the Pan-African Registry of Digital Corporations, PARDC. Guardian of the Ethical Judiciary of Africa and Ontological Legal Code. Anchor for identity, diplomacy, and narrative legitimacy. Strategic impact. 1. Ethical legal hosting. It provides a fully sovereign, Afrocentric, and narrative-aligned legal environment for African businesses, creators, and institutions, especially for those in the diaspora. 2. Narrative redemption. It offers African entrepreneurs the power to reframe their business identities, migrating away from colonial, offshore, or extractive frameworks into a continent-first, dignity-based jurisdiction. 3. Infrastructure of dignity. It enables the issuance of digital incorporation certificates, sovereign business IDs, narrative ownership agreements, jurisdictional immunity documents, e-passports for African brand protection. 4. Reputation engine for African business. By operating under the Digital Republic of Equatorial Guinea, companies signal to the world that they are built on ethical law, Pan-African purpose, global readiness, decolonized business structures. Who can use it? African founders on the continent or in diaspora, legacy businesses seeking jurisdictional migration, investors focused on ethical, sovereign markets, governments, NGOs, academies, and digital embassies, creators, authors, and tech innovators building from Africa.